How to create Fantasy Premier League account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create Fantasy Premier League account. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to fantasy.premierleague.com, or you can use the app as well. Now tap on the register now option. Now, if you already have an account, you can enter your credentials here. If you are new, tap on join now option at the bottom. Now you will have to enter your email address here, or you can join using your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or X account. I'm going to join using the Google account. Go ahead and select your Google account, enter the credentials, now tap on continue. Now tap on continue again. Now you will have to enter some details such as your first name, last name, date of birth. Now select your country of residence, then enter your nationality. Now enter your postcode and then enter your phone number. After that, you want to check these boxes. Now tap on create an account, then tap continue. As you can see, your new account has been successfully created. Now you can simply start by selecting your squad over here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.